Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the weekly market outlook for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely from technical perspective. Over here you are viewing the chart of Nifty from a weekly perspective. This is the weekly chart. As you can see that in the current week the broader indices has lost more than 2.67%, or in terms of points it has lost 478 points on a weekly basis. After three consecutive week close on a positive note, this was a massive sell-off in the current week which we have observed. Let us see how the broader indices is looking on daily chart as well. So this is the daily chart of Nifty. As you can see that the market has came down near its 200 days moving average, and in the past 6 trading sessions consecutive negative close has been observed. On the downward side, the market has a good support in the zone of 17,350 to 17,360, where 200 days moving average as well as the gap area support is there. The momentum indicator is also almost near to oversold territory, but not oversold as of now. So there is a high probability that the market may correct up to 13,300 to 13,350, that is near to 200 days moving average, from where at least a small amount of relief really can be expected. However, the daily chart is clearly indicating that the broader market is in a downtrend, where majority of the moving averages, which is short term, medium term, as well as excluding long term only 100 days, the market is trading below all the major moving averages except 200 days. The final support as of now is placed near to 17,350, and below that 17,350 there is a high probability that Nifty may drift down up to the mark of 16,800 to 17,000 zone. Let us talk about key support and resistance level. Crucial support for Nifty is placed at 17,300, and below that at 17,000, while on the higher side major supply is placed at 17,800 and above that at 18,100. Now in the current scenario, what could be the possible or probable strategy, or how to trade Nifty or a market which is drifting slowly and steady on a daily basis? So the key support level as of now is 17,350. There is a high probability that after drifting 100 points, a bounce back rally up to 17,800 cannot be ruled out. So traders can go long near the support area for a short term bounce. There is no doubt that the larger degree trend has almost reversed, and this main trend can continue on the downward side. Let us see how Bank Nifty seems to be looking from the current scenario. So this is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see, Bank Nifty is also almost near to its 200 days moving average. As of now, Bank Nifty is near to 39,909, that is, you can say near to 40,000. It is almost near to its previous swing low. On the downward side, 39,300 may provide some amount of relief to Bank Nifty, and below that next major support is coming at 37,600, while on the higher side major supply is placed at 40,500 and above that at 41,500. As you can see that on the daily chart, the broader market as well as Bank Nifty is into a lower top lower bottom formation, and further downside cannot be ruled out. So the 200 days moving average is the final hope, which is this line, that is a grayish one, as of now placed somewhere around the zone of 39,216. So close below 39,216, further damage can be observed. On a weekly basis, Bank Nifty has lost almost near to 3%, and chances of drifting from a weekly basis seems to be quite higher. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Gas Authority of India Limited, also known as GAIL. So this is the daily chart of GAIL. You can see and volume, strong volume uptick for today trading session as well as previous day. It is breaking out from the confluence of major moving averages, that is 100 days, 200 days, as well as short term 50 days and 20 days. Trading above its previous swing high of 103, can be bought on slight dip around anywhere in the zone of 101 to 102 with a stop loss placing at 96 mark, that is at this one. On the higher side, this stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 120. This is the weekly chart of GAIL and almost near to its breakout level. High probability of retesting and making a new high above 115. Another counter which seems to be possible breakout candidates is Radico Limited or Radico Khaitan. So this is the daily chart of Radico. You can see a small triangle. It is also coming out from a falling trend line as well as confluence of moving averages. Today's price action seems to be with good amount of volume trending on the higher side. One can go long at current level with a stop loss placing at 1120, and on the higher side this stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 1280. This stock on a weekly basis as well as on a daily basis, it's a strong uptrend making higher top higher bottom formation, and probability of retesting the previous 52-week high seems to be quite high. So that's it for the current week. See you in next week. Thank you very much for joining us and listening us. Thanks a lot.